Moyu has made a mirror cube, a smart mirror cube. Man, Moyu always does something different and takes it to a whole new level. So in today's video, we'll check out both of Moyu's mirror cubes. I think the only difference between the two will be the color. Everything else should be the same. Yes, there is a difference in color between the two. I hadn't really looked at them closely yet, man. Oh, these puzzles have been on my table for almost 10 days and I kept thinking, man, I'll upload the video soon. In today's video, today, man, they just did it like this. I don't know. First, we'll go towards Moyu. Both are from Moyu. Okay, yes, that's fine. The packaging is really interesting. Just a second, it's charging lock. Just a second, its charging lock is like the one on the 3x3. Yeah, almost. It's not exactly the same, and you guys can see because the pieces of the mirror cube, the center pieces, are a bit here and there, so it's not exactly in the center. This charging function it has, what do we call it in their technical language? By the way, if you look at the accessory box, I haven't seen such a thin accessory box before. And what's inside it? Oh, okay. I think the center cap inside it must have holes. That's what I thought too. There's no need to look at the pamphlets. And when we're not charging, we can use this center cap. Man, the values that Moyu adds, ha. So let's take this out directly. It's feeling a little heavy. This is a great thing. Okay, after this, we'll have to check one by one to see which piece it was that, this has become very tight. It's become very tight. It's between us. Okay, if I turn this, will the light turn on? It's charged, right? Man, these are some solid turns. These are really solid turns, and it's heavy. It actually feels quite heavy. My hands aren't getting tired. It's not that heavy, but compared to normal smart cubes, this is heavy because this is the world's first mirror cube, man. Smart cube. We got the mirror cube before Grand Theft Auto 5 smart mirror cube. Don't forget that, and you can see the turns for yourself. How smooth is it? But here, we're about to do something that we should do. Because I was recording a video just now, what do you call that smart thing, man? The Ivy Smart Cube. So let's see if it's charged or not. I'm afraid it might not be charged. Otherwise, there should be some lights on it. Device not found. Let me unbox the World Cube University Cube for a second. Maybe we have that one. Charged. Everything else will be the same. The main difference is obviously inside the box, but even that main difference is just the color. I want to see if this is it or not. This one isn't charged either, so maybe we should charge both of them first. After that, I will come here. And there's one thing I've just realized, the smallest layer, the yellow layer, you could say. I'm feeling unwell. I think it's because the weather is changing and so are we. Alright, open up, man. It's so tight. Obviously, I don't want to mess it all up by forcing it. But we didn't have any other option. We had to use this. And if I talk about its center, I thought I'd use this one and charge it. We'll meet you after charging. I snap my fingers and everything will be charged. You get it? These will get charged. Yeah, bro, I charged them for a while. I think we can say about half an hour. I left them on charging. I don't know if they're fully charged yet, but when I turn it, I don't know if you guys can see, some turquoise lights start glowing inside. It's not lighting up in this one. Oh, bro. Man, I charged both of them. It's not lighting up in this one. But in this one, it's lighting up somewhere. If I use the nearby mobile, actually, it's better to say iPad. When I try, only one option is showing up. So let's connect one of them. We'll keep the other one aside for now. And this mirror cube of ours is now connected. If you guys can see, but we should straighten it. Now it's completely straight. Let me set up the mobile. I think this is absolutely fine and we're about to make the first turn. Oh. Man, the gyroscope has such a quick response. Alright, I think we should try solving one now. Okay, right? How do we scramble this? Do we even start scrambling here? Where do we begin? Alright. Alright. We have to start scrambling from here. I should remember from where we're starting to scramble this. Alright. I think I kind of understand a little bit now. D prime, L2, D prime, R2, B2, U, F2, U prime, R prime, B, F, L, F, U prime, F2, U2, R prime, P prime, U2. For the first time in my life, I've scrambled a mirror cube first and maybe the last solve. I don't understand anything, but I think this, and this are going to be our cross pieces. Maybe. So I started directly. Maybe I should have at least planned a little beforehand. But it's okay. It happens, man. In big cities, small things like this keep happening. There's no problem with that. Okay, no, I can't really understand what's going on. And somehow there's lube on my hand too, which I don't think is a good thing. Oh, was this the piece from here? Man, this was the piece from here and what can I do? Actually, I'm solving the second layer along with it too. First of all, I got 2 pairs already made, you could say. So our first 2 layers, I thought they were done. But no, our edge is still in place. And maybe we can solve it like this. We'll use 2 look orientation of the last layer. Because if I sit and try to recognize it, I could do it, but it would take half a day. So it's better to use 2 look orientation of the last layer and J-perm permutation of the last layer. Anyway, I can recognize some permutation of the last layer S, so recognizing this J-perm was easy. This was my first real-time solve since I never understood why I needed to use the timer before. You know what I mean? In 3x3, you can still inspect a bit. In this, there's nothing to inspect at all. I'm just talking about myself. Now, for the first time in my life, I'm starting to realize my mirror cube performance, like what do you call it? Analysis. Rotations, 14, I'm embarrassed. Moves, 91 turns per second. 1.4, not bad, but okay. We were doing 1.5 moves per second. Pause rate, 80 point. All right, I want to see a bit more analysis here. I don't really feel like running it because if I start running it, okay, I found something really interesting. 1x and we can watch this at 0.5x speed in slow motion. There should be a way to speed it up. We want it faster, not slower. We're finding out every single thing in the data. And look, I made the first 2 pairs so easily, right? The first pair was already done. The second pair was still okay considering it's a mirror cube. But for the third, it took 14 seconds, and for the fourth, 13 seconds. Orientation of the last layer and permutation of the last layer were also decent, not bad. But wait a second, is this the solution that I solved? DL, wait a second. Orientation of the last layer. Permutation of the last layer, or maybe it gave us some decent level session. Obviously, maybe it gave us some solution I'm not able to understand, but it's okay. Whatever it is, yeah, there's a lot about the scramble and all that here. We've seen almost everything. And I wouldn't want to do another solve. I'd like to see one thing though. I want to disconnect this and see if this one is getting connected or not, because I don't know why this is happening. I don't understand this. Let me check in a second. Yes, both cubes look very nice on our screen. Man, let's disconnect this one. And we did this one, we did this one. Yes, we did this one. This one is golden, maybe beige or copper like the keys. Man, the lights in this one aren't working at all. It's this one. What's going on? 5332. Something's wrong here. These 2 are exactly the same. No difference. I'll try to charge it again. We've mainly covered the video we had to do on the mirror cube. It had to be done on this mirror cube. In that, you know, apart from the camera, I'll try charging it, maybe pick it up and hit it from above like we do with remotes, and then it starts working. So I'll try doing things like that. But mainly this is the Moyu mirror cube. It's just a color change. And I think let's end the video here. If you enjoyed the video, like, share, comment, and subscribe the channel. Another video is coming up here. Do watch it, man. Make sure to watch it. Share it with 2 or 3 people. Our channel will grow, man, if nothing else. Subscribe, man.